Solving for y using substitution. Okay, here x is 1, so this will be y equals -2, then -1 in parentheses squared, minus 3, -1, and then minus 4. Now I'm going to use expansion on this portion right here, so this will be -2, -1, -1, minus 3, -1, and minus 4. I'm going to multiply these, so 2 times 1 times 1, which will be 2. There are 3 negatives. 3 negatives will give you negative. And then here, 3 times 1, which is 3. And there's 2 negatives, so 2 negatives will give us a positive. And then minus 4. So same signs will add. So 2 and 4 are same signs, so they'll give us 6. And bigger sign wins, be -6, then plus 3. Now we have different signs. Different signs will subtract. So 6 take away 3 is 3. The bigger sign wins, so this is -3. Next, we have x is -1. So now we get y equals -2, parentheses, -1 squared, minus 3, and -1, and minus 4. We're going to expand this right here, so we'll get -2, -1, -1, minus 3, the -1, and then the minus 4. When we multiply these, 2 times 1 times 1, we'll get 2. There are 3 negatives. 3 negatives will be negative. Then 3 times 1 is 3. There's 2 negatives, so that'll be positive. Then the -4. All right, the same signs. We'll have -2 and -4, so that'll be 6 when I add. The bigger sign is -4, so this will be -6, then plus 3. Now we take the -6 and -3, different signs, we'll subtract, we'll get 3. The bigger sign wins, which will be negative. Lastly, we have x is -2. So we'll have y equals negative parentheses squared, and that'll be a -2 there, and then plus parentheses again, and that'll be a -2, and then minus 10. So the expansion here, we can make that a -1 here, just to make things a little easier, and this will be -2, -2, and then plus the -2, and then the minus 10. So the multiplication of all these, this is 1 times 2 times 2, which is 4. There are 3 negatives. That will be a negative. And here, there's just in 2, and there's 1 negative, so that'll be negative. And then -10. And these are all the same signs, -4, -2, and -10. So same signs will add, so we'll get a 16. And these are adding negatives, so this will be a -16.